Alright, I'm going to show you how I will do this lady's change of name and address change as well. It involves company's house web filing. This is it here. Take a look at the link. Alright, so now I am signed into, or I have already signed into web filing. Now I'm going to sign into the company itself. When you come to this page, you're going to have to sign out, and please check in Dropbox for search confirmation statement or web filing. Web filing it should be to get the sign-in details. Alright, so here now I'm going to, it's for Mirage Limited. So company number, then authentication code, check this out. Then so here I'm going to file a confirmation statement. Now I'm doing two things, which is change of name and change of address. So now I'm going to use a relevant form. Click on the relevant form, and then out of all of these options, find what I am looking for. Alright, so I'm looking for change of name. So quickly, oh sorry, this is the wrong form. Should be in officers, directors, and secretaries. Change of directory details. I mean director's details. CH01 from CH01. Or edit. Change director's name. Alright, director's name change. So let me look at what he has requested for. Magdi Shawish and okay. Mr. Magdi Shawish, update details. Changed today. Changed on the 5th, the 4th of July 2018. Alright, so I'm done with change of director's details. Continue. I'll have to go and file the address change. Um, no. This company overview. Alright, so I'm passing now. This is the main confirmation statement itself. The main confirmation statement itself, this is it. No. Okay. Now, after I have answered those three basic questions about what changes have occurred in the company, I will now I'm going to I'm going to change the company address. This is what I'm looking for, but in case. Alright, 25 Green Street. Alright, so I am done with this filing now. So remember, you have to sign in to company's house from this place, from this address rather, and you can get it by googling company's house electronic filing, and you will be shown. The first result is this link or this page, and then after you've logged in, you log in with authentication code and company number. Then you start the uh, confirmation statement. Then after that, you from relevant forms, you select the form you need to file for whatever it is or whatever the scenario is, and after that you submit and you're done.